Hi everyone, Kenny Brown here, MarineMax in Panama City Beach. Brand new 2026 Grady-White 336 Canyon in this beautiful neutral gray with the pearlescent white. This boat does have a bow thruster. Let's climb aboard and let me share with you a few features I really love about this boat. Okay everyone, here we are aboard this new 2026 Grady-White 336 Canyon. I'm standing in the cockpit area. You can see the enormous amount of room you have here for fishing. You got a flip up bench seat for going out, coming back in. Huge insulated fish box. Right here at your rigging station, notice you have not one but two live wells. Rigging stations for your pliers, your knives, plenty of rod holders throughout the boat, equipped with outriggers. And folks, I had the pleasure of this opening last weekend, going out snapper fishing, the opening weekend. We had 6 grown men fishing all throughout this boat. Not a challenge at all. It's powered with twin matching pearlescent white 450 Yamaha 4-stroke motors. Right here at the helm, you've got your Yamaha Helmmaster joysticks. It's ready to be rigged with the electronics of your choice. It does have a spacious cabin. And remember, this boat has air conditioning in the cabin and right here at the helm as well. And it is equipped with a Seakeeper for an extra smooth ride. I would love to show you this boat. I'm Kenny Brown at MarineMax in Panama City Beach. You can reach me directly at 850-596-8108. And as I always say, it's about making memories on the water.